Hello, in this tutorial I want to show you the spin button. As you can see, it is kind of continuation of my previous tutorial because I left this adjustment here. I don't want to rewrite it right now. So yeah, we need to create a new variable, so a spin. Alright, so let's create a spin button. Okay, to create it you use a GTK spin button new. Okay, this waits the adjustment and two additional parameters. So actually we have to cast it. GTK adjustment. Okay, and it waits two additional parameters. When you click to this little arrow in the corner of the spin button, how many change should it take? I think one is enough. We used one everywhere. And the other parameter is how many digits do you want? 2 digits should be enough. Okay, and basically that's it. You add it to the container, so GTK container add container add, and we add to the window. Oh, what am I doing? GTK container window, and we add the spin button. Alright, that's it. Now if I can compile it and run it, and if I can bring this there, as you can see it is like that. I'm sure you already seen that. You can see a maximum is 10, the minimum is 0 as we get. If I press the arrow in my keyboard, then it gives then it goes 1. If I press the page up and page down, similarly to 1. Okay, I can press here 4.22 as well. As you can see, 2 decimal. If I wanted to write more, I can write, it seems, but I think that it doesn't allow it. Okay, now just get the actual value. Alright, to do that we use a callback function, obviously. So GTK gsignal connect. Okay, the spin button value changed. Similarly to the range widget, actually what is it called, never mind. Similarly to that, it's use a value changed function, not function, signal, whenever the value is changed. So we call a function, so call back value changed function, and we press null to it. Okay, here we just make this value change function, so static void value changed. Okay, it's with a GTK widget which we call spin, and with a G pointer data which is null at the moment, so it doesn't show anywhere. Okay, this spin button is you remember what widget emits the signal will give itself as a first parameter, so it will be the spin button. Don't put semicolon there. Okay, now similarly to the previous example, just write out, so print, and we use %sign f \n. Okay, so we write out a float and a new line. Okay, the float will be GTK spin button get value as float. We can get value as int, or we can get value, I don't really remember what type does it do, but we get the as a float, so it is short. Okay, and now we just cast it as always, so GTK spin button spin. Okay, that's right. If I don't make anything wrong, it will write out the Okay, it seems it's compiled. So get a terminal too. So whenever I change the value, as you can see, it's changing in here. Okay, I can press 3.2 or yeah, so it's right there. So if I write more precision, oh no, it will write, but somehow it's deleted after it. So I write precision, it will write it. Interesting. Okay, and pretty much that's it for spin button. I really don't want to go into too much detail because actually that's all you need to do. So that was kind of short tutorial, but I think that I covered the most important functions for the spin button. Actually, the get value. Logically, there is a set value, which is set the value to a given value, obviously. And pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.